And when we have this color, we buy always this Stumpen, and now we begin to produce it here in our house.
Oh.
Yes, and now we are beginning. This is ladies Stumpen.
Oh, so you make the colors now?
Yes, we begin to make now a habit together.
Yeah,
of
that's
course.
great.
Yes.
Mm.
Wet and hot, this is always the same. Yes. Here our machine, I hope it's hot enough. Yes, you see?
Oh,
I have to close it
yeah.
because we only lose energy.
Yes.
And when you feel it now, it's very hot. Please be careful when you touch it.
Yeah.
Now you can stretch it, and this we do with this machine here.
Oh, so you make the shape.
Yes.
For shape.
We are beginning to make the right style with this machine here. Yes, this is the next point. What we get from this Stumpen, this is now such a style. This is the next style what we get. This is the same Stumpen, only it's stretched. Yes, and now you can feel also the difference. This is rabbit felt and this is wool felt. You feel the difference. This is much stronger and this is a very soft quality. Please touch it yourself. Wool felt, rabbit felt. This is a softer quality, it's a higher quality. This is a less expensive material. And when you take now such an Stumpen, we put it again in this machine, and the next way is whatever you want.
Shape of the
Ladies' caps, men's hats, every style, whatever you want, we can do it here in our house. Men's hats are different sizes. This is perhaps size 58. Ladies' hats, you will see it later, are the differences between 54 and 56. Men's hats is beginning 54 until to 61. Therefore, we need much more men's styles than ladies' hats. And
so you put this onto that machine?
Yes, first on this machine, and then we have this style, and this is perhaps 58. You can get also the style of a cylinder. Yes, you see later the ready-made hats from here, from this cylinder.
Do they all have different names? Like I see.
Yes, it's every style have a different name, sure. And when it's still hot and wet, we press it in this style here.
Oh, wow.
You see, it's able to stretch it.
Yes.
And we form it in the right way. You can see it here.
What's this? Why you have this?
We needed to hold it with our fingers.
Yeah.
Yes?
Makes sense, yeah.
And please come with me. We put it now under this machine.
Wow. Oh.
It's called Sandsack.
Sandsack.
The head will be pressed. I need half an hour, and it set it, yes, and it get dry, and then it beholds the style of the what we have selected just now.
Amazing.
Oh, okay.
Yes?
Yeah. This technique, how old is it? How old is
it's very old. This is about 100 years old.
Wow.
But we don't have a modern technique because it's too expensive. We don't have so much money that we can make it with a modern technique. It's impossible. It's too expensive to make it in another way.
Yeah, but this is nice as well. Always. I
Yes.
like old.
I will show you still the last part of my movie.
Okay.
Then you can see Barcelona in Italy. This is a leading header worldwide. They make it in the same way how you can see it here in our museum.